Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back again today with another 4 trades. Today's date is February the 7th, and I am using my brand new Pipsnagger trading system. Now on this day I decided to trade the futures, all these ones in here, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, gold, as they produce the most ticks and, as you can see, money. Now I have gone as far as calling this system the Holy Grail trading system, mainly because of this indicator right here, the TZ indicator. I've even nicknamed it the magic indicator, as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. This is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. I call that the flow of the market. Now at 6 o'clock in the morning, between 6 and 7, I'm putting together my daily trade plan. We can take a look at that for today. Daily trade plan for February the 7th. You can put this on pause and you can check these right here. Now you have to keep in mind that not every one of these will work out, especially the ones who have been moving up or down a lot, hundreds of pips, as it can easily hit support or resistance and do a pullback or a reversal of 50 or 100 pips or more. So you got to be careful, and you must follow the rules within the Pipsnagger trading system. And now on this Nasdaq trade, right at 6 o'clock, it was flat both on the daily and the 4 hours, but once I saw that the market has picked a direction, and then I went with it, because this Nasdaq pays quite a bit. It's $20 a pip, and I did buy it. You must have a trading plan. If you are not putting one of these trading plans together, that is probably a big reason why you are losing. Now, if you're interested in getting this daily trade plan, keep in mind I do charge $100 a month for it. All you have to do is get in contact with me. So now we can move on to the trades. And taking a quick look at this trade right here, it's also set up, looks like it's set up quite nicely for the fib tool. Let's run a check on it. Swing low to swing high right here. And at this point over here, closer to 6 o'clock, it did hit entry 3, and usually if it hits entry 1, 2, or 3 on a pullback, this is your pullback, it'll hit at least target 2, and on this day it did hit target 3. Keep in mind that it does produce 10 targets altogether. There's your target 10. Now, if you are a lover of Fibonacci, you will really love this fib tool, because it gives you everything here. Tells you everything, and then these targets, at least it gives you a target you can aim for. Keep in mind that this doesn't come default with the system. This is a standalone, and I do have a complete course on it, the Fib Master full course. Now if you don't want to get the training videos that go along with it, if you're interested just in the Fib Master tool, just get in contact with me, as I have a special price running right now on it. So let's remove the fib tool, and let's see where I got in at on this gold. Drag and drop it up. I knew I wanted to be buying. Keep in mind that these candles they're Heikin-Ashi candles. So as a general rule, makes everything more steady as prices when it moves up or down. So I took the trade at this cursor here and I closed it out just being happy. Looks like I was happy with 25 pips. Actually 25.9 it should be. Looking at the totals at the bottom. So rounded out to 20, almost 26 actually. So we can, let's just call it 26 because it's very, very close. And each pip or tick is worth $10. So 26 times 10 times 10 lots. That's why you see a total down here paying out $2,590. And just in case you didn't know, gold is affected by the US dollar. And when it was going up, the USD right here was less than 20%. So that means selling the US dollar, so gold should go up. Just a little bit of information. More information you can get, the better you will become as a trader. Keep in mind that there's 3 things that you need to succeed at trading. Number 1 is a lot of chart time. Number 2 is a lot of demo trading. And number 3 is a lot of education. Now that's where I can help you, as I give a lot of education for pennies on the dollar. If you want to know more, just get in contact with me. Moving on to the next trade, Dow Jones. Here we go. It's the only one I sold. There's the arrow. Let's see where I did get in at. Here we go. I waited patiently because I knew I wanted to be selling, and I just followed the cycle. Don't you just love this TZ indicator on top of this timing indicator? There was your signal to sell. Pulled the trigger, and I should have closed it out over here, but this is where I saw it, and I decided to close out the trade. Looks like with 52 pips. And remember, Dow Jones only pays $5 a pip, so times $5 times 10 lots. And those, what do they say, 52 pips paid out $2,600. Moving on to silver. Be careful with this one, as it pays $50 a pip. Now I knew I wanted to be buying it directly from my daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Let's just drag and drop this up. Here we go. Right where the line is, actually, that's your buy signal. Took the trade on the next candle. Wish I saw it here. I was somewhat distracted, but I knew it would give another cycle and test the top, and that's all I was waiting for on the second push up. And I closed out the trade, looks like, with let's see, 5. Just move it a little bit, and it's hard to get it right on, but it does have to be 12, because 12 times 50 times 10 lots, that works out to be exactly paying out $6,000. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, Nasdaq. This one pays $20 a pip. So here we go. After I saw the charts lining up for going up, that's when I took the trade. Let's see where I got in at. Here we go. Everything was looking perfect on the 15-minute time frame. I took the trade. Went sideways, a little bit down, and then it went up again. Looks like 52 pips. And you ignore the last 2 digits, so 52 times 20 times 10, well, that gives a grand total of $10,160. So another great day of trading. Great way to start off this Monday, February the 7th. I just added up all the ticks. I ended up with 142 ticks, and those 142 ticks paid out $21,350. Now, if your system is not producing, like my Pip Snagger system, I suggest you get your hands on it, and I highly recommend the daily trade plan. If you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this write-up. It's a Pip Snagger system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market, and this TZ indicator helps a lot. My system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Also included are a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. By the way, this is just all bonus stuff, which will provide you with a lot of education to help you to learn how to trade the markets. Now, there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of ways to trade. My number one way, I just wanted to point out, is a great way to trade. Some of the trades today lined up perfectly, like this Nasdaq. By the time I took the trade, it did qualify for a great way to trade. Now, because there's so many different ways here to trade the markets, I ended up producing 50 training videos. Now you can put this video on pause, you can read everything here, and if you have any questions at all, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, again, it's easy, simple for you. All you got to do is send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I really do prefer Skype here. If you have Windows 10, simple again, all you got to do is click on this link and we will have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Keep in mind that I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link right here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So it's time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, probably tomorrow, and the next video again tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.